Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. Guys, today I'll be making the Betty Crocker cinnamon toast crunch cake. I'll be making cupcakes. So I'll be doing cinnamon toast crunch cupcakes out of this cake mix. All right. So guys, if you love cinnamon toast crunch, all right, and then you a serial killer like me, let's go ahead, guys, and let's get right into the recipe. All right. Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. So I'll be doing today the Betty Crocker cinnamon toast crunch. If you are familiar with the cereal cinnamon toast crunch, you might be familiar also with the taste, the texture, but now they're making the cereal, they're making a flavored cake mix with a cinnamon toast crunch. So these are the ingredients that we are going to be using for the cinnamon toast crunch: Crocker, cannelle, cinnadust. Check it out, cinnadust cake mix, melange gâteau. So we'll be using this guy. This approximately brings 375 grams. And this is what we're going to use. We're going to use 2 large eggs for that. We're going to use some oil. Approximately, this is like 3 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil. We're going to use 1 cup of water. And at the end, later, when we cool down the cupcakes, I'm going to do cupcakes with this. We're going to frost them with vanilla. Betty Crocker also. So for that, we're going to need 1 stainless steel bowl, and we're gonna use also the pans. I'm gonna use this kind of cupcake pans. You can use the round baking pan if you want, but I'll be using I'll just be using the cupcakes. All right. So we're gonna make a crate on the middle. I like to make it like a volcano crate. See, make that hole so I can put everything there right on the middle. So it will be easier. Just add the oil. Add the 2 eggs, big eggs. These are large eggs. And then he said to put a whole cup of water. All right. So I'll be using a mixer. I'll be using my mixer to mix all that. Looks so creamy. I'm so tempted to try it even without baking it first. I'm gonna try, be honest. I'm gonna try it a little bit because the temptation is so big. I'm gonna try to see how it tastes like. Wow. Yeah, it got the cinnamon. It has the cinnamon toast crunch sensation. Yes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put them in the cupcake pans. Let's put them on the cupcake pans one by one. All right. I already sprayed the pans. I love cupcakes. So there you go, guys. We made exactly 2 pans. To be more precise, make 2 pans. So we're gonna put them in the so now we're gonna put them in the oven for around 25 minutes. No, we're gonna make it for around, I'm gonna put them around 15 minutes at 350. The cupcakes are ready. Check it out, guys. Check out the cupcakes. Check it out. You can see the cinnamon powder on top of the cupcake. You can see the traces of cinnamon powder, also brown sugar. Check it out, and also that original golden brown look of the cinnamon toast crunch. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna cool them down a bit, and we're gonna frost them a little on top. All right? There you go. There you go. Here you go, that man. 12 cinnamon toast crunch cupcakes. We're gonna frost them now. Start with this one. We're gonna frost all 12 cupcakes. Check it out, guys. They're all frosted. I frost. Check it out, guys. They're all frosted. So I'm gonna try this one for you. I'm gonna try this cinnamon toast crunch cupcake just for you, and I will let you know my thoughts about it. All right, guys. So let's go ahead, guys, and try the cinnamon toast crunch cupcake with the frosting and everything. Check it out. Look at that beauty. But your beauty will not last too long because you're coming with me. I'm gonna eat you. Got it? All right. Yeah. Whoa. You know what? You know what? I don't know if it was our friends from the United States who came up with this creation. or I don't know 100%, in Canada is the one who created this. But I tell you, I would like to see something like that in Tim Horton. Tim Horton, if you're listening to me, I think adding like a cupcake, cinnamon Toast Crunch will be a great, genius idea to have it there for at least for a limited time. It tastes delicious. And to tell you the truth, I enjoy this more practically than the cereal. Yes, I get more. I don't know why, but in the cinnamon Toast Crunch cake mix, you get more flavor. You get more cinnamon. You get more cinnamon dust. You get more of the brown sugar, and you get the cake flavor. The amazing part is that you get the cake flavor, the texture of the cake flavor. Yeah, you get to enjoy more of that, of those. All those wonderful flavor, and on top of that, the vanilla frosting that I add. I don't know, it's delicious. I'm giving these guys a 10, a whole 100%. I'm giving the cinnamon Toast Crunch from Betty Crocker an outstanding, stunning 10. It really rightfully deserves it. It's a great creation. What am I amazed with is that they're not promoting this product a little more. They should have exposed this product a little more. They need a little more exposure for people not aware of how great and how delicious this thing is. All right, guys, but I'm letting you guys know to get familiar. So you go inside the supermarket, check it out. You'll find it. I found it on Walmart. I found it at Walmart for less than $3, and I'll keep it there for some days. I keep giving some thoughts about it. Should I review it or not? Should I just eat it and forget about the review? But no. I thought about you guys. No. Let me just share the experience. This is just too good to keep it for myself. All right, guys. This has been my cooking review for Betty Crocker Cinnamon Toast Crunch, guys. You share your thoughts in your comment below. Tell me you have tried this already. Or did you have tried the cereal? Or did you have tried this? Or did you have tried them all together? I want to hear from you. A big kiss and hug, my friend. See you on my next video.